Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the Roblox player in my Windows 7 PC and it shows your Windows 7 system is too outdated, please install, and then followed by they mention the one Windows update version. So how to overcome this issue? So before going to get this Windows security update, first of all check it which type of operating system you have, like 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. So by simply right click on this my computer icon and go to properties, and here I have a 64-bit operating system, so just note it. So next you can open your Chrome or any other web browser. So here I try to access this first link. So now in the search bar section, you can type that Windows Update version and click to search. And here they showing some search results, but here I get this error message in my Windows 7 operating system. So you can carefully check this products category. So once you identify the correct one and click to download, and it shows on pop-up window. So just click this link. So now my Windows update file is now starts to downloading. So once the downloading process is completed and click to install it. And this installation process may take up to more time, so be patient. And this Windows update is now successfully installed and it asks for the restart process, so just do it. So once the restarting is completed, and one more time you can try to access the Roblox player. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech, and thanks for watching.